In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Notion. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step so you'll be all set up in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, start by heading over to the Grammarly website. If you haven't visited it before, it's pretty easy to find. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either sign up if you're a new user or log in if you already have an account. Today we're going to focus on logging in, so locate the login button and click on it. It's usually in the top right corner of the page, so keep an eye out for that. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email you signed up with. If you've forgotten which one, check your previous emails or drafts to find reminders or communication from Grammarly. Type in your email address, and once you're all set, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. After you hit Continue, you should be redirected to Grammarly's homepage. This is your control center for all things Grammarly, where you can access your documents, settings, and more. Take a moment to explore if you wish, but remember, today our focus is on integrating it with Notion. Once you've got Grammarly open, head over to Notion in your web browser. Notion is an incredible tool if you're new to it, offering a flexible and dynamic space for organizing your projects, notes, or whatever you're working on. Log into your Notion account if you're not already signed in. Your usual email address and password should do the trick. With both Grammarly and Notion up, let's ensure Grammarly is ready to help you in Notion. To do this, check your browser's extensions, looking specifically for Grammarly's. If it's not enabled, you'll want to click to activate it. This will allow Grammarly to seamlessly integrate with Notion, running in the background as you type. Now that Grammarly is active, you can start using it in Notion. Begin creating or editing a document, and you'll notice Grammarly's helpful underlines and suggestions popping up, guiding you to write with clarity and correctness. Don't hesitate to click on them for more in-depth advice or to make quick corrections. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Grammarly for use in Notion. This setup ensures that as you brainstorm, plan, or execute projects in Notion, Grammarly's language guidance tools are right there to support you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll enjoy the peace of mind Grammarly can